Hi folks, today we are adding one more display panel to our collection. It is believed that this panel originally belonged to a MACRON car radio because there is already an identical unit featured here on the channel. This display uses an LCD driver from Princeton Technology Corporation, specifically the model PT6523. We have covered this driver several times before. Even so, it is always valuable to revisit it, especially to clearly highlight the essential wiring connections that allow it to operate in standalone mode. The PT6523 is capable of controlling up to 156 segments. In the code used for this project, there is a dedicated function that enumerates all the segments. This makes it much easier to identify and control each one individually. The code is the same version developed for the MACRON car radio model MCD3540R. As usual, the link will be in the description. Now let us understand how this driver reaches the capacity of 156 segments. The chip provides three common bias pins for the LCD: COM1, COM2, and COM3. In addition, there are 52 segment control pins, labeled from SEG1 through SEG52. When we combine three common lines with 52 segment lines, we obtain a total of 156 controllable segments. 3 multiplied by 52 equals 156. Communication with the driver is handled through 4 main pins: data in, clock, chip enable, and inhibit. The code includes control of the inhibit pin. However, if you prefer not to manage this pin through software, you can simply tie it to a high logic level using a 1 kΩ resistor connected to 5 volts DC. Its function is only to turn the LCD on or off. Even when the display is disabled, meaning the pin is in a low state, it is still possible to transmit data to the driver. The oscillator section is very simple. It requires only a 47 kΩ resistor and a 1000 picofarad capacitor connected to ground. That leaves us with the VDD1 and VDD2 pins. These pins generate the intermediate voltage levels required by the LCD, supporting different bias configurations: small, wide, and extended, as documented in the PT6523 datasheet, which is readily available online. With this overview complete, we are fully prepared to mount this driver onto a small custom board and use it to control virtually any LCD with up to 156 segments, configured exactly as we wish.